what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita and we have come up again with a new video which is 10 self-care tips for 2021. 2020 has already been a very tough year for all of us. इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि why not make some changes in our lifestyle and in our habits in 2021 ताकि हमारी बॉडी माइंड सोल सब कुछ इंटरनली एंड एक्सटर्नली प्योर हो. एंड मैंने ये सोचा है कि ये सेल्फ केयर टॉपिक रिलेटेड आई विल बी मेकिंग सम मोर वीडियोज एंड आई हैव थॉट टू क्रिएट अ सेपरेट प्लेलिस्ट खास सेल्फ केयर के लिए, ताकि इसमें अलग अलग सेल्फ केयर रिलेटेड या फिर सेल्फ केयर रूटीन्स या आइडियाज़ रिलेटेड वीडियोज़ हम बनाएंगे. शॉर्ट वीडियोज़. आपको भी अगर अपनी फिजिकल मेंटल हेल्थ अच्छी बनानी हो देन प्लीज़ कीप वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. उससे पहले अगर आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो देन प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. ऑल राइट, नाउ विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम लेट्स गेट टू द वीडियो. तो सेल्फ केयर की सबसे पहली और वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज बी सेल्फिश. कुछ सोचो मत. डू वॉट मेक्स यू हैप्पी. लाइक आई गिव एन एग्जाम्पल. इफ टुडे योर फ्रेंड्स कॉल यू या फिर किसी ने फोन किया एंड दे आर सेइंग दैट विल गो टू दिस प्लेस, विल डू दिस, एंड इफ यू फील दैट यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल ओवर देयर और यू डोंट वांट टू गो, you just want to enjoy your space, then in that case do not hesitate to reject them. Yeah, avoid करो, reject their calls, बताओ उनको नहीं जाना है मुझे, and do what makes you happy and be selfish. The next thing is book some me time with yourself. So what is the me time? Me time is basically खुद के साथ समय बिताना. Spend some time with yourself. कोई नहीं चाहिए वहाँ पे, just you and yourself. Spend 5 to 10 minutes with yourself. कुछ नहीं, उसमें सब सोशल मीडिया, सब लोग, सबको दूर रखना and बस खुद के बारे में खुद के लिए सोचना. Okay? Next thing is sleeping pattern. Please sleep more as much as you can, and this one applies to me because my sleeping pattern is really very bad and I really need to bring that change in myself in 2021. और मुझे वो पैटर्न ठीक करना है and I want to make it a normal one and get a very good and sound sleep. तो उसके लिए I am trying a few things. बहुत लोग एंजाइटी स्ट्रेस में होते हैं, उनको भी स्लीपिंग प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. इन दैट केस प्लीज़ गाइज just improve that and focus on yourself. Now the fourth thing is water. Drink more and more of water. maximum पानी पियो जिससे आपकी स्किन भी अच्छी हो and काफ़ी सारे प्रॉब्लम्स दूर हो जाएंगे इससे. Drink 3 to 4 liters of water in a day. बॉटल अपने बड़ी बॉटल अपने साथ में हैंडी रखो and whatever you are doing in between keep sipping थोड़ा water and you will not even understand कि आप इतने बॉटल्स ख़त्म किए. बट या यू नीड टू मेक योर माइंड कि मुझे ये करना ही है और मैं ये करूँगी ही, विच आई एम ट्राइंग. Please do try and keep drinking lots and lots of water. I'm sure that will really reflect on your skin and on your face and bring a really natural glow also. Fifth thing is start writing a journal, and in that what you need to do is just put down all your thoughts, be it your goals for the day, like short term goals, long term goals, or whatever are your plans. क्या करना है मुझे अभी, क्या करना है कुछ टाइम बाद मैं क्या करूँगी, and at the end of the day just check कि क्या क्या हुआ है, what all is left. Also you can write like 3 things you are grateful for today. धीरे धीरे you will start achieving your goals. Also schedule अच्छा रहेगा आपका सब चीज़ों में, and within a month you will notice a difference in whatever you are doing and you will do everything in a very planned way. Please start writing journal. Sixth is the very important thing. Please do not check your phone at least for an hour after you're waking up, because what will happen is you will not feel active. You'll really feel very tired after some time because you'll just keep scrolling through the social media. आधा घंटा 1 घंटा कैसे वेस्ट होता है हमें समझ में नहीं आता. So yeah, जब पहले उठते हो after waking up, please do not use your phone at least for half an hour or 1 hour at least. Next thing is please revisit your social media. Time to time check करो whom you are following, what news you are consuming, what content you are consuming. What will happen is there is a lot of negativity many times, and at times some things or some events or some people, you never know, some news, anything would make you negative, would upset you. In that case just stay away from such news or such things. And yeah, please keep checking on social media what you are consuming and if it is keeping you happy and fresh. The next thing is doing some exercise regularly, which I am not doing, so we need to do that, me as well as you. And also अगर आप proper gym या ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर सकते, no worries, you can just do some things at home or else just go for a walk for some time. 15-20 मिनट राउंड मार के आओ, कहीं घूम के आओ. But yeah, please keep some physical movement for your body and do not be a couch potato, please. इससे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा fresh भी लगेगा and you will really feel very fit and fine. So yeah, please do some exercise or go for a walk daily. Next thing is very important. You really need some change every time. So yeah, please make some changes in surroundings from time to time. This matters a lot, the surroundings that you live in. So what you need to do is redecor or arrange your surroundings from time to time. Make some changes. Add some decor that has got wellness benefits like humidifier, air purifier and all such things. Also you can add some good plants and plants around, या फिर कुछ changes कर सकते हो in your arrangements of living room or bedroom or the place you sit for a very long time. This will really bring a change in your thoughts accordingly. We all know 2020 has been the toughest year for all of us in terms of physical as well as mental health. So yeah, please plan regular visits to doctor for yourself and your family. Time to time अपने checkups करवाना. There are a lot of plans wherein you can get it at very low prices also. और 4 पैसे ज़्यादा जाए तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन please do not compromise on your health, because at times it happens like we get to know about things when they have increased a lot. Like we personally had such experience last year. For women, whoever are watching this video, also the men who have got their friends, sisters or wives at their home, for your moms too, please do regular checkups of their body, because many times it happens that women don't tell whatever is happening to them, and after 40 years their body becomes too weak and there are a lot of things that start happening inside. menstrual cycles end होते हैं, hormonal changes होता है बहुत ज़्यादा, उसकी वजह से बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो सकती है which are like too dangerous, like breast cancer and stuff. It happens to a lot of women these days. So in that case, please make sure you do regular checkups after their ages 35-40, ताकि टाइम पे चीज़ें क्लैरिफाई हो and it does not increase in the future, right? So yeah, please do this. This is really important. Last but not the least, please pay attention to your mental health. Whatever has happened in 2020 has got a lot of attention and spotlight to mental health and what it is. लोगों ने काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने ये एक्सपीरियंस किया कि what actually is mental health and उसके क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकते हैं. So yeah, please pay attention to that. Please make regular appointments with your therapist, and if you do not have one and if you think that you are going through something and you are into something, then please in that case do not feel shy or anything to go to a therapist. You can, and also you can look for some support groups around. And the last thing is friends. Please share whatever is there in your mind with your friends, because at times it happens that we keep a lot of things piled up in our head and keep thinking about it. It creates a lot of anxiety, stress, problems, and after that it may also lead to depression kind of things, and that should not happen. So yeah, please take mental health also so very seriously, just as our physical health. Physical health is for our body, but mental health is for our brain and our soul. Yeah, please take it seriously. Go to a therapist. Do not feel afraid or shy to do that. Alright, I hope you love this video, and if you love your loved ones, I want you to spread this video, share it with your loved ones and help them, and I'll come up with more videos related to self-care tips, self-care ideas, and I have thought to make 3 more videos: self-care tips for mind, self-care tips for body and self-care tips for soul. And I'll be creating a separate playlist जिसमें ये सारे videos मैं डाल दूँगी. So yeah, if you love this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow my page on Instagram. Please do. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.